In this video, I'm about to compare Bootstrap and JavaScript. The pros of Bootstrap include its extensive library of pre-styled components and a responsive grid system allowing developers to create mobile-friendly websites quickly. It simplifies layout and styling, enabling users to achieve professional, consistent designs without much custom CSS. The cons of Bootstrap are that it's primarily focused on design and layout, so for interactive features, additional JavaScript is necessary. Bootstrap predefined style can also make website look similar unless further customization is added. The pros of JavaScript are its versatility and ability to add dynamic, interactive feature to website pages. The script can manipulate HTML and CSS in real time, enabling responsive users' interactions and functionally beyond static design. It's essential for building dynamic web applications and support a wide range for libraries and frameworks. The cons of JavaScript are that styling and layout require additional CSS or framework like Bootstrap for a polished look. Also, JavaScript has a learning curve, especially for beginners, and can be challenging to use effectively without experience. Choosing between the two depends on your needs. Bootstrap is ideal for creating responsive design quickly, while JavaScript is essential for adding interactive functionality and dynamic content to web pages. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.